Hey, so what's up? I recently saw a video from Drake Anthony, aka Styropyro, about the triboelectric effect when you have mercury and a neon gas. And so there's this thing called the neon Mickey, and it's basically a fishing line invented in 1955. Just a fishing lure that has mercury with neon inside. So when you flash it, you shake it, it lights up, and comes with a little description here. And let me hit the lights and show you the effect. You see the triboelectric effect. You have the mercury sliding against the glass, exciting the neon gas. And hit the lights again. Better effect. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that.